Oh, that's brilliant. Look at that. Fantastic. Oops.
So we're back out exploring. It's been a while. We've got the 2 ROVs with us. Let's slide in. There's James there from Mines and Man Cave. Hello. He's going to control one of the ROVs because we're going to do some cool stuff with them today. And there's Johan, there's the man himself.
Almost unrecognisable, would you say?
With your lovely blue overalls.
Midnight blue. There you go.
Yeah. And in comes Lois. Right.
I always forget how large this adit is. It's a very old size.
It's not bad, yeah.
Yeah. Larger than the average, we should, you know.
How deep's the water there?
Just
yeah, that's all right.
It's not too bad.
It's down from where it was a few years ago.
It is a bit less, isn't it? Yeah, yeah. No, it's all right.
There he is. Right then.
The track is really right here. It's really toward the tail end of when the mine was in operation, which was the First World War. They were only drawing stuff up from this wings or taking stuff from here, from the head shunt down that way. Because this was worked almost exclusively for zinc and not for lead.
Wow, I didn't know that. There's the old chain ladder, look.
That's amazing.
And that's where we're putting the ROVs.
The fact that it's made of one spike.
They had no fear.
No, just straight onto that, down you go, and that's about, well, 40 or 50 feet deep. Yeah.
So it's going. Excited?
Exceedingly. Haven't been here for a long time.
So we're sending both them down. I want to film one with the other so you can see it in action.
Yeah, that'd be best. We've never done that before.
We've never done that before, and we want to see the artifacts that's down there because there's some really cool stuff down there.
Yeah, we did this a few years ago, didn't we? And it's well worth a return trip.
Yeah.
So,
there's Lois. Hello. James is taking photographs. Barrod?
Barrod. Oh, we can see you there.
You in control?
Yep.
Okay, let me go there.
Right, where are you, James?
You look over, you'll see me if you look up now.
Oh, there's a ladder. If we go straight down the ladder, we'll get to the tracks and follow them to the wheelbarrows. We'll get out the silt then as well.
No control.
I lost control then.
It doesn't work.
My controls have gone backwards. I'm going to go right, I have to go left.
Right, doesn't communicate with it.
Well.
Can't have both running at the same time.
We'll have to just pick one then.
If you pull that out. So our little plan to film one ROV with the other didn't work. So James is having some fun there with the ROV down there.
We'll start there and work our way back.
Let's say record sound and screen record.
I think so, yeah.
It will record it then.
Okay. Right, there's the winds. So let's look up a little bit, and I don't think there's anything further on, is there?
It was just a...
Yeah,
just going up.
That's it. We looked at that, didn't we? Yeah. So that winds there used to go to the 12 fathom level.
Right.
But there's a blockage right here, see? And there's a tiny sliver where you, if we were able to walk down there, we could slide on our asses down in, but it's just a bit too tight.
Where the planks are then, does that go down from there?
I thought it wasn't planks, it was this.
Right.
Yeah, this was what we
No,
saw.
where the bridge is. There's planks down there.
Oh, is there? Oh, okay. Oh, we'll have a look at the bridge then.
On your way back. Look.
Okay. Because there's one way, too tight.
And there was a bit of a thing going off that way as well.
Yeah. Let's have a look at the bridge then. So if we come out of there now. There we go. There's the wheelbarrow, so be careful there.
Let's have a look at that. I can just steady myself.
Yeah.
Whoa, look at that.
Don't get too close to them.
Wow.
Aren't they amazing? That is fantastic.
Isn't it just?
Oh, look at that.
James, your driving skills are very good.
I'm sort of bumping up against the wall.
Tempted to get an ROV now.
Yeah.
It's just definitely recording, isn't it? Good.
That's
See if I can go up a bit and put down on them.
Yeah, that's it. The challenge for me, since I want to get stills to use in the books, it's like managing to hold the ROV still for long enough for me to take a good screenshot, if you know what I mean. Oh, that's brilliant. Look at that. Fantastic.
Oops. This way.
Yeah. So we're in the 5 fathom level now. So if we down on the, I think they were, the bridge was up here somewhere.
Oh,
There's
there
the
it is.
bridge. Yeah.
Oh, I'm looking at something there. It's hard to know how far off the ground you are.
Yeah, it is a bit, isn't it?
Okay.
That's from.
It's all cloudy from before, yeah.
Did all that, didn't it?
We're near the bridge, but we can't really see much. There's the
Look
bridge.
straight. Go down to it. Look straight down, and I think there's boards over a hole.
Can we go around that side where there's more room?
I would say the centre. There we go. You should be near the ladders now.
There you can see the... Is that still chain? Yeah.
Yeah, it is, yeah. All
It's just
clumped
all
up with
the-
rust,
yeah.
yeah.
Look at it.
With the wooden boards to protect it where it passes over the edge of the rock. And then it's just free hanging as well. Imagine having to climb that.
Oh,
There's the bottom.
Something down there.
So if you stop there for a moment, let's see what's to the right underneath this way. If you go to the right and follow that stope along.
Do you want to control it? I mean, I'm getting really cold. Just stood in this water.
Because I can't remember what is in that direction.
Well, it's going.
It's going.
Are you in a level now then?
Yeah, we are, yeah. That's the 5 fathom
Stop
level.
moving.
It's not, yeah, it's just...
The tiniest thing.
There we go. It just senses there's something stopping it. It's doing it again, I think. Isn't it?
Oh, yeah. Come closer to the edge, Al. Come over here for a minute. There you go.
Whoa.
Oh, look at that.
It goes some.
Yeah.
Cleared.
The-
Oop.
It's that rock there. There's a little rock.
Are you
that's-
going over or under these?
Oh, it's gone into a chamber.
That's the end, I think.
Are you
Is
going
it?
under?
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks like the end of the stope, doesn't it?
Yeah. I'm not chancing getting it stuck again.
No.
The depth gauge is incorrect.
Yeah, it's not working, is it?
Not at all. So both ROVs were confusing each other.
They weren't happy together, were they?
No, we tried to film one with the other so you could show you people what it's like. But we got a little bit of footage of it, which
Yeah.
we put up. But we're coming back to that because we clouded it up because one ROV got confused.
Yeah, we got a little bit of footage, but we ended up making a bit of a silk show of it all. So.
It was, yeah. And James had to go with that one. So James Mines and Man Caves. Check him out. There'll be a link in the description. Now we're going to go that way.
Yeah, let's go for a wander. Yeah. Like flaps from a rag and chain pump, but they're not. They're gaskets from the compressed air main, I think.
Probably, yeah.
Yeah.
What are you looking at?
There's a little collection of safety fuses up here.
There you go.
Left on a little perch. Just in there, a bit of safety fuse. So that probably dates from about the First World War, which is when this level was abandoned. It was 1917 that it was abandoned. And then the mine closed completely then in 1918 after the government released the metal stockpiles, which crashed the market. And that was the end of this place. But yeah, some
Cool information to look at.
yeah, some nice deads still stacked up there.
Yeah, there they are, look. Didn't carry them out, they stacked them inside. Lois has just found something.
No, I think it's just a
Oh,
piece of rock, isn't it?
and then you can see
This
the...
mine was actually run by a government subsidy as well. It's quite unusual. It was one of the very few nationalised metal mines in Mid Wales.
Look at that, how odd.
Yeah, so there are old workings running parallel with us here, aren't there? Yeah.
And they've broke through,
They've broken through and backfilled them. Yeah. Or whether they were already backfilled, I'm not sure.
rather than carry the ore out.
Yes.
Here we go, look.
It looks like it, doesn't it? Yeah, yeah.
Goes in there, look.
There we go. Another way through, yeah.
I'm surprised they never removed the tracks.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
And then look, climbing chain.
And sideways as well.
What's that?
It went sideways through here. There's another way into the old workings. Which they've in the back filled off.
Upcycled old tracks.
Yeah. Yeah.
Amazing, it's still standing.
Yeah. Like how they've used the rails.
Look at the rusticles.
Oh yeah.
Loads of rusticles.
Some more fuse. Nothing.
Yeah.
Don't fire that route back.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I like that chain.
Oh, it's a cracker chain, isn't it?
It's lovely, isn't it?
So we have some sketchiness above our heads right there.
Yeah. Nothing like a bit of sketchiness on a Friday night.
So the miners would have climbed this.
So yeah, this is called a stull, working platform. So the miners would have climbed up that chain there to stand on top and stoke upwards, stoke overhand. These are basically your working platforms. So you put in one more stull for every 7 or 8 feet in height that you gain. So we've seen stopes, haven't we, with 6 or 7 stalls, one above another. This is just an early stope that was never really properly developed, so we just don't have the one.
Very cool. Look, I've just spotted. What's this? Oh no, I thought it was a tallow candle.
Oh, what is it?
It isn't. It's quartz, it's gone
Oh.
black.
There must be some somewhere.
Oh, here.
Let's go have a look over there, shall we?
Yeah.
So we're stood.
And this is what will happen when that goes down.
Yeah, quite.
We're stood on one of them,
Yeah.
Probably not
which is
now.
on the floor.
Yeah, so all of this would have been covered at one time. There's a niche over there and a niche here as well. Yeah.
And the tracks ended right there.
You got that? Oh.
The tracks ended right there. Love your blue overalls.
So, and I managed to keep them nice and clean as well.
Hey James, did you enjoy that?
Yeah, it's good.
Driving the ROV. Shame both didn't work together because we were going to try.
We know now, though.
We were going to try to get some cool footage with it. There's the original one we had a few years back. Check out James's page on Facebook, Mines and Man Caves, and YouTube. And
And check ours out as well.
yeah, thank you very much for watching the video, and all the best to you.
Yeah, we'll see you again soon. Ciao for now.
Bye-bye.